Day 8 of the project. I've had a good day. Got all the key trench complete now. We've exposed all the land drains. We've stripped back from the key trench 12 to 15 foot each side of it and decommissioned those land drains. Give them a good clay seal cap off. So yeah, we should be good on that front. Now it's just a case of backfilling the trenches, getting the Ramex on them, packing them down. And tomorrow's a big day. We can start cutting down to depth from the pond. So yeah, making loads of good progress. I'll get in the trench and show you some of the work we've been doing with the drains, and as usual we'll get the drone up in the air and show you some of the progress footage. But it's not been without its problems, of course. The Ramex machine is currently down, so we're just waiting on the service fitters to come out here and get that machine up and running for us. It's kind of putting us at a bit of a standstill. We've backfilled some of these trenches we've cut as much as we can, but now we need to get the Ramex on it and get that packed in properly. So we'll wait for it to get that machine rolling. I'll show you some video footage of the work we've been doing today, and I'll see you on the next update. Well, the rain came. I think it's supposed to thunder and lightning and drop a little bit today, so rather than making a mess of the site, I think we're going to call that a day, shut it down for the day. We do have the rammer, which is in the background there. That's still broken, so we got the fitter out this morning. He's down at 9 o'clock, so hopefully we can use this rain day just to service the machines, give them a little look at, get that rammer back in action. Forecast is 10 more days of sun, so I think it makes sense to give this one, pull the chute on this one today, and we'll go again tomorrow. Day 10. The rain stopped, the sunshine has been back, which is amazing news. Pulled off the site for a day, which gave it a chance to dry out. And we started on the bund, which is right behind me there. See the start of it back there by the oak tree. So yeah, started on the dam wall. It's moving forward. We've still got a metre or two to put on it before we're at height, but it's starting to take shape. Layer it in step by step. We'll put about 500 mil on it at a time, pack it down, 500 mil, pack it down, keep it going, and make sure that dam wall is solid. I'll give you a little idea of size. It's going to be about 1.82 meters high, and then we've got it, but we have it at about 12 meters wide, so it's going to be a proper dam wall. It ain't going to leak. Touch wood. Here it is, the dam wall. Just starting to layer that up, pack it in. Still got quite a bit of height left to go on it, but here's the start. But you can already see once you start to get the dam wall in, you're starting to see the pond take shape there. I'll go and give you a little look at the deepest point of the pond. It's where we've got to bring the earth down the most in order to hit level across the site. Guys made a start in it today. You can see down there just absolute blue gold, so more than happy with the clay substrate we've got on site. It's gonna be perfect, really. You see over here the lads are just doing the final tiny sliver of topsoil getting removed, just so we continue on the dam build tomorrow. Glorious September sunset. Machines are working hard. Project's going forward. The rain stopped. It's been a good day. Day 11, making some real good progress now. This corner of the site has a 6 meter fall. It's 6 meter higher than the bottom of the dam, so the majority of the digging's done down here. We started to get a good hole going on, so I'll take you for a little look at that. The dam is well underway, construction. These guys are digging out, loading up, compacting down, so I'll take you to have a little look at that. As always, we'll get the drone up in the air so you can see some aerial progress. But yeah, really starting to motor through it now. Most of the dig, like I say, is this side. Zero level is running 3/4 of the way across the lake, so once we get this done, we really should rapidly move through the site, so exciting. It's good. Guys are happy, I'm happy. Making progress. So I'll take you to have a look at the hole now. See from this side. Shifted a fair old bit today. Started playing around with how we want the banks profiled. Yeah, it's coming along. Dam wall, the bund is starting to take shape. It's getting higher and higher. It's got another load to go on top, another load, another compaction, and then he'll start shaping that, getting that how we want to look. But yeah, that's the important part. Keeps the water back. Yeah, so that didn't go to plan. We figured it'd be a good point in the video to stop it and just discuss what happened. The following summer from this point, we noticed a small wet patch behind the back of the dam. This was in a period of pretty dry, hot weather. We kept an eye on it, and as the weeks went on, that wet patch got slowly bigger and bigger. At the same time as that was happening, we started to notice some pretty significant subsidence in the dam wall at the top. And right there and then, the nail was in the coffin. We knew we had a leak. But just to confirm it, we got some diggers in. We dug a 6 metre long trench by about 1-2 metres, and sure enough, right in the middle of it, there was a lovely hosepipe size flow of water running right through the middle of the dam wall, which was worst case scenario. You know, leaks in dams are not great, and yeah, to fix it, we knew that it was going to be a pain. But when putting these videos out, instead of kind of discussing that at the time next summer, we figured that we'd discuss it right now at the construction point. Hindsight's a wonderful thing, and it provides really valuable lessons. And as we look back through the construction footage, it's really evident our mistakes. So yeah, hopefully by sharing it with you guys now, anyone taking on a project like this can see what we did and make sure that you don't follow us and do the same. So yeah, we'll throw the footage up now, and I'll just talk you through the two sections of the dam. As you can see on the first section here, we were layering that clay in pretty nicely. 1 metre sections, 1 metre deep sections of clay, tracking it in with the machine, and as you can see from the footage here, it looks pretty nice and tidy. At the time, we were looking at the weather forecast, and we could see that the dry period was coming to an end, and there was a pretty significant wet period of weather due in the next few weeks. So that all starts to add up in pressure. It started to add up in pressure on our shoulders, really. And considering how slow it was to kind of construct this dam, we started to worry about whether or not we'd be able to finish this in time before the pond started filling up. So as we get around here to the section that you're looking at now, you can see that we've gone from 1 metre layers of clay to 4-5 metres layers of clay that we're attempting to track in. And that's just way too much. Ultimately, that created an air void, and eventually we got a leak from that. So yeah, rather than hide from that fact or brush over it, edit it out, hopefully we can share this content with you guys. I mean, we learned some valuable lessons, and you know, I think hopefully some of you guys who are thinking about taking on a project like this can have a look at this and know not how to build a dam wall. Make sure you get it layered in nice and tight, nice and 1 metre sections of clay, track it in, get it built up, and definitely do not do 4 or 5 metres unless you want a world of headaches. Just to put in there too that at no point are we, shifting this blame onto ground workers or whatever, but it was a decision made by myself, and ultimately it rests on my shoulders if the project succeeds or not. But yeah, we'll get back to the video. Let us know your thoughts if anyone else has kind of had problems like this building a dam. Any suggestions, drop them in the comments and we'll go from there.
Join us next time as we take this project to new depths. we unveil the step-by-step journey of carefully installing the monk drain and meticulously crafting and shaping the island. For more information about our projects and to get involved, head over to www.creatingtomorrowsforest.co.uk. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below and subscribe to our channel.